I think some of the main trends really are around companies wanting to become a data-driven organization. So they have so much data, but if it's not in the way that they can use it properly, and I think using that data to drive different business outcomes is the challenge. Is how do they take the data? How do they utilize the data? How do they understand the data? And then make different business decisions. I think another major trend is around digital innovation, because digital innovation is a huge opportunity, whether it be digitizing your documents or any kind of workflow. And then I think another one is always a trend, and it's not a new trend, but I think it's gaining a lot of traction. Is the whole concept of supply chain visibility. Supply chain visibility is becoming more intelligent. How do I handle disruption management? How do I handle condition monitoring? And are these important across every industry? No, but there are some industries where it is very important. And then I think it's about integration and connecting to your stakeholders in a more technical way to allow for greater transparency, greater collaboration, greater sharing of information, and then being able to react to those changes in a fast way. Companies are starting to, go towards a e-commerce environment. That B2C and that B2B start to blend together because those customers are going to start to want to see greater transparency, greater visibility, more near-time event management. And it doesn't matter if you're a B2B or a B2C. Which that all means for the freight forwarding community is more documentation, more documents, more information. And that's why I said at the beginning, it's all about the data. It's all about how do I share data, how do I collaborate with my customers, and how do I envision that data becoming a driver of my organization rather than a hindrance to the organization. Everybody's looking at autonomous anything, autonomous deliveries, autonomous driving, drone delivery, all those things are out there on the table. But I honestly think the trend in last mile delivery is just going to continue to disrupt typical way of last mile delivery, whether it be, delivering into your garage or the boot of your car, or, delivering through the ride sharing companies like they're doing today. That's not going to go away. I think that trend is going to continue. I always tell people that it's all about the customer experience and earning trust with your customer and being customer obsessed. Here at Amazon, we are customer obsessed. And I think it's going to be the success. The winners are going to be those that can anticipate and work with their customers and anticipate their needs before they need it, and then be able to change and pivot immediately. Those are going to be the winners. And I think anybody that can show differentiation to their customers through what we've just talked about, whether it's the visibility or the document or that just earns more trust.